This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, day before the holiday. Hope everyone's had a great night. We're ready for a great truncated day. Markets yesterday, after we left, absolutely took off. Yesterday, low to high on the ES 5502 all the way up to 5569. You can see there, whoosh. Kind of choppy overnight. Got down to 5560 up to 5572. So that 12-point range is not bad. NQ also from low to high, 910 all the way up to 259. So a 359-point move overnight. Looks like the low is there, 232. That look right? Yeah, it looks like 231. And the high was 283. So only about a 50-point range there on NQ. Almost all in that one candle. Copper had a run overnight, about 200 ticks. Gold, decent run overnight, about 24 point. No, yeah, 24. Ultra Fund, about 3/4 of a point. And crude oil dumped a little bit, about 70 ticks. And Bitcoin's struggling again, struggling to maintain 60K. So that's where he sits down there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Let's see what we get. See, we just missed some blue candles there before the top of the hour, which is okay. Lots of news this morning. Lots of news. Which is why I decided to stream today, even though it's a half day and all that. Starts off in just 13 minutes of U.S. ADP employment change. Then at 8:30, we have U.S. trade balance, Canadian trade balance, and jobless claims. Normally a Thursday thing, moving into a Wednesday because of the holiday. 9:45, U.S. S&P services and composite PMIs, and then at 10 o'clock, U.S. ISM services PMI and U.S. factory orders. So a lot, here this morning. Oh yeah, then 10:30 crude oil inventories. So wowza woozoo, or whatever. At some point today, I mean, I was originally told this morning, I don't know if that's true or not, but MyFundedFutures will be opening up their new plans. Now they're saying by the end of the day. rising up. So our high of that's right, we're already at our high of yesterday. Our high of the overnight, 283. So where's that with all-time high? That's a great question. I think the all-time high was right here, which was back on June 20th, so like 2 weeks ago. We got the 371. Be interested to see if we get back there. You can see how he got there, and it was on a red candle, and it dipped, and now we're kind of coming back up. It tried to dip there, it didn't work. So can we get that extra? Right now we're 120 points away from all-time high. Wake up, everybody. See, there's like 9 people here. Feel free to say hello in the chat. I mean, you don't have to, obviously, but it'd be nice if someone said hello. I feel so all alone. Following that purple candle would have worked. I was hesitant on it. We'll get the next one. We have news in 5 minutes. Hey, Manny, welcome. How you doing today? Well, that nice move down actually. Got up to 256. Quick drop down to 242. Wow. Well, that was a miss on my part. Oh, is giving back this entire move up over that like 10 minutes or so. Giving it all back. still falling. So you see it got back down to where it bounced there to go up. See if it bounces again, because you see we were on this big downtrend, and this was a bounce up, biggest bounce of the downtrend really. So now it's gonna be, is it continuing down or will it double bottom here? These are the hard hitting questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Wait to see where we go. News coming up in less than 90 seconds. So we continue to fall. Low, actually hanging right on the lows of the evening or overnight. Got down to like 231, we're at 236. You see it tried multiple times on these hourly candles. Hung in this area. So big area here to see if it bursts through or bounces. News in 45 seconds. We're going to start spreading the news. Nice blue candle, but I'm not going to take it since, news. All right. Would have worked for, wouldn't have. Though that news had no high impact. At least not yet. Blue candle would have worked for 5 points. No, it wouldn't have. 42 to 46. So never mind. I'm an idiot. So I think we're having lower volume today, so news isn't impacting as high. I don't know. I seem to remember the US ADP employment change causing more of a movement than that. But maybe it was like right where they expected. 150K, they forecast 165K. So it was a pretty big miss too. So it tried to push up and couldn't really get any momentum. See if it can break the lows of the day. Hey Hassan, how you doing? Sitting down. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you doing? Matt Moxie, good morning. How are you? Haven't seen you here on the stream for a little bit. Again, bounces basically on the low of day there. Let's see if it bounces up from here or where we go. Oh, it's hovering above it. Hovering. That's okay. I appreciate your support. It's always nice to see you. Say hi. There's a break of a low day. So at some point today, my funded futures will finally be opening up those new starter plans to be able to be purchased. I wonder what the heck their delay is. But once that's done, I will be announcing a giveaway for one of their new 50K starters. I believe I have it set to end on Monday. I realized I never did a giveaway for Blue Sky in June. Totally forgot about it. I'll have to make sure I'm still authorized to do giveaways for Blue Sky. I'm pretty sure I am, but I'll make sure every first. And then once the My Funded Futures ends, we'll do a Blue Sky. uh, it is. I mean, full port and one mini. Isn't that kind of an oxymoron? Why is that, Moxie? Yeah. Ah. Makes sense. Can't get through that 20, am I? Remember, we got more news coming up in like 5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, he's right. It's not even every month, but they stop sales for like 2 weeks. I mean, 2 days, and then they restart. Mm. Just hanging here. It's the same level we've been hanging at all night. You can see here. Look how many times we've come down to this level. Boop, 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 boop. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. Now we're trying to break it low, break lower, break it low, break it down now. Oh, kind of really want to take this trade right here, but yet it's 2 minutes till news. You're a bad influence. It's doing nothing. Well, I'm glad I didn't take that trade. Well, maybe. Oh, maybe now it's gonna bounce. Oh, doesn't know where it wants to go. I originally planned on not streaming today because it's a half day. Usually those are dead. But that minefield of news made me decide to stream. I mean, yeah, it's gone 3 points. Right now, if I had been in the trade, I would have been like, is it going to go up to the 9 EMA? Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Should I get out before news? What do I want to do? Oh, no, it's pulling back. These are all things that go through my brain when I'm in a trade. And usually it's a lot faster than what I just. So, what might be the biggest news report of the day, jobless claims, coming up in less than 30 seconds. People, hold on to your hat. I am actually wearing a hat from MightyOxTrading. You all need a MightyOxTrading hat as well. Yeah. You think it's going to dump on Friday with NFP? Whoosh. Ooh. Okay, so I should have went long. Up to 241, but pulling right back. That was a bunch of news reports, so it's probably a little confused. Jobless claims 236. Forecast was 235. Hey, that was pretty darn close. Trade balance negative 75.1 billion. They forecast negative 76.5, so that's not bad. And down. New low a day, 216. All right, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, if you're enjoying it, please gore that like button. Let everyone else know you enjoyed it. MyFundedFutures new starter accounts launched today. They still haven't been activated. I don't know why, but they said it'll be sometime today. And if you have nothing to do after the stream ends, I did a video breaking down the entire uh, new starter plans for MyFundedFutures. I released that yesterday. It's been very well received in one of my fastest growing videos. Like it went over 200 views in one day, which is a lot for me. So there's the link to that MyFundedFutures video. Yeah, gold is blowing up. I mean, it's very hard to blow up gold because it's a metal. And Q pulling down. Now we're sideways. Blue candle here trying to pop. Sniffs the 9 EMA. Must have smelled because it pulls back. Someone get the 9 EMA some deodorant. Our next news is after the bell. Ouch. I went long just as that purple candle started to form. Let's see what happens. It's a 5-point stop. I think I'm screwed, but that's okay. Yep. Stopped out. Yeah, that was a bad idea. I was kind of wanting to do something. Trade instead of a good trade. Ooh, and it gave me slippage too. Ouch. So I lost 5 3/4. Stupid trade on my part. It's too close to the 9. Downtrending. I deserve that loss. Yeah, gold is still running. I admire your ability to type by putting a space between each letter there, Hassan. Yeah, I thought for sure be turning around by now, and then maybe now. That's not even. That's only 3 ticks. We'll see. Ultra bond's rising up too. Look at the ultra bond go. Yeah, there's a quick dip down there on gold, down 2 points. AQ's still falling. Not afraid of falling. Oh wow, yeah, copper, big move up. It's big pullback, and then whoosh. So about 47 minutes till the bell. Ooh, there's a nice blue candle. Sniffing that 9. Pulls back. Nope. If it gets above the 9, I'll try and take it to the 20. Take it to the 20. Yeah, it is trying to go right back up. Morning, John. How are you today? You'll get that back, whether it's today or tomorrow or Friday. It's our ATR right now. 6. think it's gonna go right to the 20 already here. Pulls back a bit. It is. Something I hate about waiting for a candle to close. But we'll take the long. Come on, get through the 20. There we go. Target hit. 6.25 points. So I got back my loss. It only went one tick more than my target so far, so might be a lucky trade. So far, it's looking like a really lucky trade. The pulls back. Ouch. Ow, I just hit my elbow on the desk. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Now it comes down a little bit. Just trying to decide. Feels like it wants to head up at this point, but not gonna, you know, blindly just take another blue candle here. yawning this morning. I'm not sure why. Ooh, big dump there in gold. Missed that. You out of that gold trade, Hassan? Good. Good. Even better. Even better. Just kind of hanging here in NQ at 22.11. Gold dropping fast. Dropping down low at the rooster crow. Down to its 100 EMA there. That looks like, yep, just bounced on the 100. Uh, it's choppy here as we head toward the top of the hour, 5 minutes away. I wonder if that last hour of the stream, after all the news is out, is going to be just a slow slog, and then starts just being a slow slog. So for those of you not in the Discord, first of all, why aren't you in the Discord? But anyway, yesterday we had a discussion about the proliferation of prop firms. I figured out that there's now 32 that I know about, 32 futures prop firms, with 4 more launching this month, which will get us to 36, for those of you that can't add 4 to 32. There's some I never heard of that someone else heard of. So they're small enough that they never even fell on my radar. And there's a couple that are just I would never even deal with. But still, we'll be at 36 by the end of the month, at the very least. Blue candle here on NQ. Not the best area for it, but hey, I'll take it if it's going to offer it to me. Let's see. Yeah, don't really like it. Yeah, I think it's going to pull back first. Yeah, not going to take that. Let's see if I'm wrong. See gold there on the right-hand side top, how it's just dancing on that 100 EMA. There's the pullback I thought we were going to see there off that blue candle on the NQ, but you can see here, look at this, boom, 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 trying to bounce. It's still trying to push up. You can see it's struggling. Secondary blue candle. There's the top of the hour too. No real top of the hour boost right now yet. Marsh goes a little bit. That's a bit. Just a little bit. Still don't like it. You see here from this blue candle to here, we've only gone 3. So kind of a grindy situation. Anyone else taking any trades this morning besides Hassan and I and John? Hassan and John. Looks like we could have grinded and got 5 off of this. It hasn't actually gone 5 yet. So there we go. Maybe break it down. Break it down something proper like. It's trying to. There's my yawn again. There's exactly a 5-point dip off that purple, but ugh. Hanging right around 22:15 as we're about 20 minutes till the bell. Ace said he'll be here today. I don't know if RJ will be here. RJ bought $2,500 of liquor yesterday for his wedding, not for personal consumption. Pops. So that purple candle would have worked. You can see. You can see. Heading back up to 220. We got on this candle here, we got up to 223. The high of the overnight, 283. So well off of that. Looks more like it wants to dump than jump, but we shall see. We shall see what we shall see. Hassan says he thinks it's going up today. I thought it might try and get to all-time highs myself. $220 is where we're sitting. So I wonder if this is going to be between news reports. We're just going to be blah. Remember, we have news coming up at 9:45 and 10. And of course, we have the bell coming up. The bell. NKD. Why do I have cocoa futures here? I need to get back to looking at NKD. I haven't looked at it. Last night have been kind of a mixed bag there. It's coming down at a resistance area there. If it breaks through, could continue coming down. It's about 16 and a half minutes till the bell. It's kind of gotten a little bit stagnant. Gold popped back up nicely there. It's high of day. Yeah, look at that burst. Burst. Highest it's been since the 20th. And it's interesting because that's also the day we hit all-time highs on NQ and ES. Come on, I want to trade. I want to trade. Really? Hasn't been there in a while. Do you think it's going to get back to the highs from, what day was this? Also the 21st, around that same time that everything was kind of getting highs. Oh, okay. Whoosh. All of a sudden, a little burst there up to the 100 EMA. Shies away from that 100 EMA. Pulls back a little bit. Gold might have found the top for now. Boop, boop, boop. So he kind of snaked up, but came down, up, down, up, down. Oof, little push. Did the push. Just a little push down. So he got up to, and you see it just hit that 100 EMA there at 228. Now it's come back down by 13 points. Nice little drop. Bounces. Gold touching that 100 EMA again. About 5 minutes till the bell. Ace may have decided to sleep in today after all. And if so, that's okay. He deserves it. Bounce there. There's Ace. I thought maybe you decided to sleep in this morning, Ace. No sign of RJ yet. Hopefully he didn't imbibe on that $2,500 of alcohol he bought yesterday. Hey, Sid, how you doing? Oops. Late on the 2-minute graphic this morning. Oh, there you go. I knew you'd get back to green, John. Tell Brooks that I appreciate his sacrifice, so you can be here to trade with us here in the room. Thank you. Thank you for passing that along. There's the bell. Now remember, we have news in 15 minutes now. See where we go from here. Ooh, big boom up. 12.5 points. Okay, remember, in case you're not aware, market closes today at noon Central, 1 Eastern, or I think it's 1:15. What's interesting is this is the only time I've ever seen that FOMC meeting minutes comes out when the futures is closed. Boom up to 244 there. It was a 26.1 minute candle, opening candle. Overnight high 283. We're just hit 251. Hassan might be right. Good job, Ace. Pulls back a tad there after getting 258 down to 250. 250. 250. Nice job, Ace. Pulls back, purple candle. Not the most convincing purple candle in the world. There we go. Haha, not today, purple candle. Not today. You didn't fool me. I'm smarter than the average ox. Yeah, maybe now this time though, I might be interested. Second purple candle. Question is, are we kind of just dancing along this line, or does it want to come down? Whoosh. Wow, 27-point candle here down to the 20. Now it goes from that one purple candle I didn't like. Second purple candle is kind of big now. Bounces on the 20. Taking the short, but I'm late. Took it on 5 micros. Didn't trust it on the big contract. I'm putting the stop above that candle there on the. Nope, it's gonna nail me. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I was right not to trust it. I should have waited for a break of the 20. News in less than 10 minutes. I'm at now. I mean, I really doubt that they will. They don't. They usually do. I don't know. Like just like the special fire drill type stuff. They don't really do holiday sales for the most part, but maybe they might surprise, but I doubt it. How you doing, I'm Ed. Haven't seen you in a bit. Need to get rid of that work stuff. I know the prices. You mean just that they put them onto the uh, that they're actually available to buy, or do you not know what the prices are? Oh, for sale. Okay. Yeah. They said sometime today. They originally said it was supposed to be available before New York Open. I'm not sure what the delay is. I'll also be doing a giveaway for 150K account with them. If they ever launch, so I can do the tweet that I can put in that people retweet the tweet, etc. Mind there, folks. Score that like button. Let YouTube know. I'll have a link once it's open. I gotta wait until they actually launch. It'll be done with that Gleam. I've done a couple with those before, where you get an entry for each action you do, like visit YouTube, visit Twitter, etc. Next week, I'll probably be doing a Blue Sky giveaway. I can give away the whole Blue Sky. No. Choppy here now. Gold rising up again. I may or may not grab myself a MyFundedFutures account as well. I haven't decided yet. I shed Legends that are no longer trading Legends, so theoretically, there's an open spot. Theoretically. Oh, does it? Nice. There's now a second firm using the platform that Topstep X was built on. That's Alpha Futures that launched on Monday. They call it Alpha Ticks, but it's the same thing as Topstep X, just without some of the Topstep features like Topstep TV, etc. Be interested to see if more firms start adopting it. Yeah, I've always been afraid to trade on mobile, afraid I was gonna fat finger trade, and like, I mean, most places now protect you from entering too many contracts, but I can imagine accidentally entering like 10,000 contracts. Remember, we got news coming up in less than 3 minutes. I think Ace went back to bed. I need a nap. Wow, gold just straight up over there. Look at that. Straight up. Now tell me, will you go up forever? Sorry. New high day. Son, maybe it will get to 2080 today. 2380, I mean. Nice, Greg. Great job. What was your entry, if you don't mind sharing? If you don't want to share, you don't have to. No pressure. Hassan, the market closes early today. Nap when it's closed. There's a purple candle on gold. No, I know, Hassan. I'm just joking around. Nice, Greg. Nice, very nice. And if you missed it, my video on MyFundedFutures changes. There's the link. All about the new starter plans for MyFundedFutures. That's going on sale sometime today. I kind of wish they had already done it, but hey, some reason they're not. So we had the news there at 9:45, and it didn't do anything for NQ. It seems like it caused a pullback there on gold. More news at the top of the hour. Burrow, yeah, it's a little bit choppy, honestly. The news report didn't do anything. So it might be a slog for the rest of the day. We'll see. More news coming at the top of the hour. In retrospect, so far, it looks like I would not have missed anything had I not streamed and traded today. But hey. Still kind of trying to rise up here. Remember, overnight high was 283, and it's sitting now at 266. It's interesting that it's stretching band to band there on the 1 hour, so I think it's going to burst. ES is actually, he just hit its overnight high. Just broke it, as a matter of fact. NQ not quite there yet. Slow slog up. Now you can see how every one of these blue candles would have kind of worked, but just difficult to, blue, red, red, blue, red, blue, red, red, blue. It's nice to try to be patriotic. Blue and red. I should make a couple of candles turn white. Pulls back down. Big move down there in gold. All right. Very nice trade, though. Six minutes till the top of the hour. Yeah, it's dropping. NQ pulls back a little bit. So what do you got planned for tomorrow, Ace? Anything special? Bounce on gold, bounce on NQ. There's a new high day on NQ. 2284. Breakfast up the canyon? I prefer breakfast in bed. Fun. Is it going to come down there after making a new high, basically double topping the overnight? That's what we're waiting to see, folks. Waiting to see. And we do have more news coming up in 90 seconds. 90. Remember, no stream tomorrow for the holiday. Friday, non-farm payroll day. Boom. Boom, and then whoosh. Hit 2,300 to the tick, and then down. Interestingly, MNQ didn't got it was only 296 half. That's a big difference. Usually they're pretty close to one another. That was news, Hassan. I've been saying there's news at the top of the hour. Oh wow, nice. Yeah, gold shot up to 23.73. Did you take profit or are you still in? Hope you're still in because it's rising back up. That 23.80 might be on the table for today, Hassan. Yeah, he was falling asleep, Ace, and he totally missed our warnings. But hey, maybe it was good. He was in along, and maybe the warnings might have shook him out. I don't know. So rising back up, NQ hits 300. What you do in your personal life there, Hassan, is yours, and we don't need to know that. Oh wait, not that type of Dom. Okay. So Gould's trying to pull back again now. AQ's still confusing right now. She's trying to push back up. It's just hanging right on these EMAs. Less than an hour ago. For those of you trading crude, if anyone trades crude, remember you have inventories coming up in 25 minutes. anxiously await MyFundedFutures to actually launch this frickin' new product. Now the one, one of the oh, drawbacks still of MFFU. I gotta just say MyFundedFutures. It just sounds rude when I say it out when I say the initials. Um, is they do still have a news trading rule where you can't be in a trade from 2 minutes before until 3 minutes after, which really kills a lot of good opportunities. You can trade news in the evaluations, but you can't in the funded. So, and even that's even true even in the live funded. So that is in my opinion, a big drawback. I could understand making it the minute before, minute after, if they, but 3 minutes after, there's a lot of good moves fading a news pop. Yeah. Now, I just read this on their Discord. It says you are to avoid T1 news at sim funded and live account stage across all plans. Pull one down. I I don't like trading the like. I won't be in a trade when the news hits. But sometimes there's a good trade there in the first minute or two after where you can fade the move. Are you trying to say oil is gay, Ace? Yes, that was a joke, folks. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't try and guess which way a news is gonna go and jump in before the news. It's just the after, like immediately after, is some good trades to be had sometimes. Uh, yeah, I believe that's more of a forex thing, and I mean it used to be a futures thing too, but most places have gotten rid of their news rules. You know, Topstep used to be a stickler for it, and they dropped it. Guess I need to look. I mean, Apex is they don't have a hard and fast news rule, but you can't go for a windfall with news. I don't know. Yeah, they don't have a news rule, but they don't want you to go for a windfall on the trade. We're short here. I got in late and it's chasing me back up. Crap. Got in really late. How late did I get in? 4 points. Okay. Well, that was a mistake. Let's see if it comes down. Come on. Come on. Just down to that 100 EMA. I'll take the small win. Yeah, the 30%. Yeah. Yeah, MyFundedFutures has a 40% on the new starter plays. So it's like, do you really need a news rule if you have a consistency rule? I don't know. And this is going to stop me out. Well, maybe not. Come on back down. Come on back down. No, that's going to stop me. Darn. Yeah. That didn't work out at all. Stupid trade. Both losses today have been stupid entries on my part. And it rises back up. So the high was 300 exactly. Right. Yeah, they for the most part, that's exactly what they're looking for. Trying to still rise up. Have a great holiday, Greg. Nice seeing you. I'll see you Friday if you're around. If not, I think you didn't you say you're going away? Now that I think about it. Uh, all right. Well, then we'll see you when you get back, Greg. Have fun. Still trying to push up slightly. Get back up to 300. Can it do it? Can it do it? The answer so far is no. No, it cannot. Have a great holiday, Ace. See you Friday. Thank you. Yeah, they are. Every time you think it's going higher, quick pullback. So this is the gold chart on the 1 minute. Blue candle here, but good. This pullback, I would have expected more from. You can see this pullback. I mean, none of this would have been a great entry based on my system. 5 minute chart, look at that though. Look at the beauty on the 5. This purple candle here, blue candle there, blue candle there. The 5 minute chart is the winner of gold today, in my opinion. Apex Rhythmic acting up. What's it doing, Speed Racer? Jumping over to their server and seeing what they're having to say. Yep, there people are complaining on the Discord. Yep, lots of no problem. Coming down here. So we got it to 93 again, and then this dumped about 20 points. I'm checking other Discords to see whether it's an Apex thing or. What did I see? Well, nothing on. I should say nothing on earned to trade. Let's jump to. Not seeing anyone say anything on Topstep, so still falling down here to 266. Wow, nice whoosh. So I didn't trust it because it wicked into the 20 there and whoosh afterwards. Down to the 100. Gold's trying to pop right back up. Yeah, it's just all of a sudden whoosh down. Whoosh down, whoosh down. Everybody look what's going round. Crude oil inventories in just a couple. Hey, Joe. No, they have not yet started the new starter plans. Sometime they say it's going to be launched sometime today, but they're not giving an exact time for some odd reason. I don't know why they just didn't launch it when they announced it on Monday, but hopefully soon. Maybe for some reason they're waiting for the market to close. You're very welcome, Joe. As soon as they pop with where they open up, I will be sending messages out on social media, on the Discord, and probably if you're a subscriber to the MightyOxTrading daily email, you'll get a deal alert on them starting to sell them. Yeah, I believe so. Cheap properties. I mean, Topstep's right there too. They require 5 days of 200. But yeah, I mean, you can pass the eval in 1 day with MFFU and then get 5 days of 100. Now, remember though, if you have just make $100 a day for 5 days and then take it out, that balance is going to jump up to like 50,100, which means you're going to pretty much screw yourself on drawdown. But yeah, I mean, it is probably the quickest path. Earn the trade, you know, obviously they got the 10-day eval, but you can withdraw from live sim pretty much right away there. No, Hassan, because you can't withdraw from the live sim. Uh, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. That's a good point. Yeah. Right. But I mean, yeah, I mean, I would assume that, yeah, I mean, it's all honestly Blue Sky, Top Step, and MyFundedFutures now all really close. Yeah. Right. Exactly, with cheap property, yeah. That also assumes a lot of perfect trading as well. Yes, the owner of MyFundedFutures is Matt Leach. He is the owner. I replied to your question on YouTube yesterday, Burl. The owner is Matt Leach. He owns MyFunded Forex and MyFunded Futures. Uprofit is 5 minimum trading days, though, isn't it, Hassan, for the Eval? No problem. I wasn't yelling at you, Burl. Just I was. I'm not sure why my voice went up. No problem. I wasn't like yelling at you. I don't mind answering the question anyway. Texas. If we get a blue candle here that clears that 20 EMA, I'm taking it. Gonna take it to the limit. Oh, sorry. It's never a goal to get liquidated. And the blue candle went away and turned into a purple. Purple, purple. By the way, crude oil liked its inventories, popped up. We have about 25 minutes till we are done streaming until Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Yeah, I'm not gonna stream the holiday. I mean, I'm probably gonna get up at the same time. I mean, I'll probably look at the charts, but I want to try and get a bunch of other work done. Yeah, Friday's regular hours, and it's non-farm payroll day. And after this, no holidays until Labor Day. So we have 15, 19, 22. 19 and 22. 20, 22 is 42. 41 straight trading days without a holiday. Let's make the most of it. Long off this blue candle. I'm late as usual by 2 points. Needs to break through. It's probably a stupid trade. Okay, there we go. Never mind. Maybe it's a good trade. Come on, break up. Break up. Breaking up is hard to do. Come on, a little bit higher. Really? Target hit. There we go. 10-point winner. This account is the Blue Sky Static Growth Plus account. Eval. I have 2 funded Topsteps and I have a funded Apex. A little bit here and there, yeah. Rising up, trying to come back up now. Hassan thinks they're going to hit all-time high by the end of the day. There we go. Back up to 290. Rising up. We're moving on up to the all-time highs in the sky. Sorry. There it is. There's a break of 300, so we're at the high day. Nice. My funded futures go live. It's got 2 affiliate emails. That's a nice win there, Sid. Very nice. No, it's not. Someone just bought the old starters, I think. Oops. Nice. Great recovery, Sid. Yeah, Hassan, you were right. Yeah, look at NVIDIA go. Whooshing up. So got up to 317. All-time high 371. Yeah, gold's just about there. About 10 minutes left in the stream. Wow, I was wondering when that might show up in chat. Short on NVIDIA? Oh yeah, I see it pull back. Nice, yeah, big drop here. So we got 317, quick move all the way down to 291, almost 30-point drop. Bounce on the 20. The video's being a little yo-yo right now. Nice, Sid. You are in tune with NVIDIA right now, aren't you? Look at that on a one. We must be looking at it. Oh yeah, nice. See the nice purple candle there. The Nvidia King there, Sid. That's quite the recovery and forward momentum, Sid. Beautiful. Did you go down on Nvidia too, or did you go down on a different ticker? Yeah, Nvidia going, going, going. Actually, on a 1 minute chart, that's actually pretty beautiful there. Blue, 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 blue. This purple, I don't know if I would have trusted it, but obviously it worked nicely. Yeah, you're just killing it there. Nvidia. Nvidia. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I don't care. Little tiny blue candle there popped. High on Q is 317. Just touch 315 again. That's beautiful, Sid. Beautiful. Yes, it is. About ready to call it a day. Hope everybody has a great holiday. We'll be back on Friday, of course. As always, we'll be on the Discord and all that fun stuff. Yep, you too, Sid. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you Friday. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.